Hello students, welcome to Scientific Byte Learn Easy. In chapter 2, you have some of the questions like prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So let me show you an example. So here is the question, prove that X and X or Y is equal to X. So now, how will you prove that LHS is equal to RHS? So first you have to solve for LHS. So what is there on LHS? X and X or Y. So here now you are going to multiply X inside the bracket. So this is X and X, or what is the sign you have in between? Put that sign, or X and Y. So we know that X and X is equal to X, or write it as it is. Now in this you have to take X as common. So this gives 1 or Y, because X is removed outside. So now we know that 1 or Y, the result is 1. So 1 and X. X and with any number is X itself. So now we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. So you might also get another question like prove that X or Y and X or Z is equal to X or Y and Z. So you are going to prove this again by using algebraical method. Let me show you how LHS is equal to RHS. So first you are going to take what is there on your LHS. So we have X or Y and X or Z. So multiply the terms to the next terms in the bracket. So first you are going to take X term and multiply. So take X, multiply with the next first term. So this is X and X. Put the symbol OR. Next X and Z. Now again here also you have OR sign. So put OR Y and the next term X, or Y and Z. So now we know that X and X is equal to X, or X and Z, or X and Y, or Y and Z. So here I have written this in the order, that's it. So Y and X can also be written as X and Y. So now in these three terms you can observe X is common. So take X outside. So this gives 1 or Z or Y, or Y and Z. When any one of the input is high, the output is high. So 1 or Z or Y, the result is 1. So and with X, or Y and Z, write it as it is. We know that X and 1 is nothing but X, or Y and Z. We have got the result what we wanted. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Here is another question which can be asked for 2 marks. Prove that X or Y and X or Y complement is equal to X. So let me show you how LHS is equal to RHS. So first write what is there on your LHS. X or Y and x or y complement. So now you are going to multiply the terms from one bracket to another bracket. So first let me multiply the first term x and x, or x with second term of the next bracket. So it is x and y complement, or y and x, or y and y complement. So now again x and x can be written as x. Write the other terms as it is. Now you can observe there is x common in all these three terms. So take x as common. So this gives 1 or y complement, or y, or y and y complement. This can be written as 1 or y complement, or y can be written as x and 1, because 1 or with any other values the result is 1, or write y and y complement. So we have a law which states that x and x complement is equal to 0. So apply that over here. Y and y complement is equal to 0. So here x and 1 is equal to x. Therefore x or 0, it is x. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Here are some other questions which can be asked for 2 marks, where you have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So you can give a try, solve for these questions, and if you are not able to solve any of the question, you can just comment below so that I can solve it for you in the next video. Stay tuned for further updates, and never forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification. Thank you.